Hi, BrenTech here, where tech is made simple. So Google has once again rolled out the early stable release of our next version upgrade, version 140, which will become more widely available next week. I would suggest starting, if we head to the calendar, I would suggest either next week, Tuesday or Wednesday, and Google always rolls out the early stable a week or so before it becomes generally available. Now, last month, as I posted, I did receive the early stable a couple of hours after I posted the actual video. And it's going to be interesting to see if I actually receive it this month. I haven't received it yet. But if we head to our main menu, Help, About, Google Chrome, when the update does roll out next week, your browser version and build will be bumped up to version 140.0.7339.41 or somewhere in that immediate point release vicinity. So just a quick overview as to what I think we are going to see rolling out due to my observations and what I see over on the Chrome platform status. Now, first of all, it will include various patches for security vulnerabilities. That's a given. That'll be part of our weekly security update next week. And if you are creating and using tab groups in the browser, the ability for you to join and use a shared tab group would have rolled out 100%, I think, with this next version upgrade. It has been on a controlled rollout. But something to take note of, the ability to create a shared tab group remains exclusive to those in the beta, dev, and canary channels. As you can see, no option to share a tab group. You can only join and use a shared tab group. So to explain what I'm saying, if we head over to the canary version and early preview version, and I add tab to new group, you can see in the canary, you can actually create a shared tab group. So we're still waiting for this to roll out, but at least there is progress with that in the upcoming stable version 140. And then in regards to using autofill, Google Chrome has a smart autofill feature, as you may well know, which is now going to be called enhanced autofill, which apparently, according to the Chrome platform status, will work better and is available and will be available in more places in regards to autofill options in the browser. So that's more or less the official. Some things I thought you may be interested in. It doesn't look like at this stage it's going to be a release with a lot of front-facing features, quite a light release with a lot of changes taking place under the hood. But we could start seeing, and I've said this over the last two releases, but I think by now, hopefully, we will start getting the new split screen, which I think is a feature a lot of Chrome users are waiting for. So once again, heading to Canary. If we right-click, add tab to new split view, there we go. So basically, I think split screen, there is a possibility this could start rolling out with 140, although not confirmed. And then, of course, the big one, I think, on everybody's mind who is using Google Chrome and MV2 extensions and ad blockers. Although Chrome has deprecated MV2 extensions, as I have been posting, in the browser, if you have used the method I have shown to enable uBlock Origin, the original version, in the stable version, because it's not possible to download it from the Chrome Web Store anymore. I'll leave the video how to do that linked. I think there's a very good chance, as I've mentioned previously, that version 140 is going to remove all those workarounds for enabling MV2 and especially uBlock Origin in the browser, because apparently in preview that has already happened. So, but nonetheless, I will post and keep you guys in the loop when the official stable version of version 140 rolls out next week. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.